nakapag-catch up din tayo. Grabe, 3 days straight akong walang tulog pero finally I submitted that big video project for my client. First time ko mag-edit ng ganong kalaki tapos solo pa ako. Kaya pala hindi ka sumasagot sa GC Congrats! Ako naman, remember that small business idea I kept talking about? Today, I finally invested in it. Small start lang pero at least it's official na. Wow, big time kayo Ako, simple lang. Nilinis ko na yung kwarto ko after ilang weeks and kanina lang, natapos ko lahat. Organized na and may space na ulit para humiga. Parang therapy din siya to be honest. Saya no? Parang lahat tayo may natapos today, big or small. Oo nga, and moments like this, kahit simpleng win lang, mas masarap i-celebrate. Dahil dyan, super deserve natin ng rewards. Kaya nag-order ako ng Jollibee Super Meals for us. Pwede mamili from Super Meal ABC, pero favorite ko ang... May event ako today, so let's get dressed with me! Theme ng event is white or green, kaya yung bottom ko is white, and yung top ko is blue-green. Mukha naman siyang green. Nilagyan lang ng blue, so okay na yan. Wala tayong green eh. For my bottom, ito yung susuotin ko. We're gonna have a long skirt moment right here. Kasi gusto ko magpa-sway, sway, sway. Charan! For my top, ito yung susuotin ko. This is an off-shoulder ruffled kinamerut. If nakikita niyo yung mga photos ko, you guys know I love off-shoulder tops. Kasi I feel like I'm exposed but keeping it a secret. Ewan, suotin na natin. So, ito yung itsura kapag pinagsama na yung dalawa. Diba? Very cute, very, very mahinhin, kahit hindi naman. So, kapag naka-off-shoulder ako, feeling ko pwede kong gawin tong move na to. For my sandals, ito yung susuotin ko. This is actually one of my favorite sandals. Hindi siya masakit sa paa and bagay siya sa lahat. Update guys, I changed my top into white kasi I feel like ma-out of place ako dun sa event since I realized na hindi ko talaga maipaglalaban ang blue-green. Pero yes, eto na ako. Very white, very demure. So this is my whole fit. Aalis na kami. Bye! What time is it? It's Titan time! Titan, the house of brands, held an event to bring out the Titan in us. Marami ako na-discover na stories behind their exquisite timepieces through narratives. There are actually 4 Titan personas: the hero, the magician, the lover, and the ruler. The hero wherein they have the value vaults for people who are mastering their passion. The magician wherein they have smartwatches for people who loves being in control in their own changes. The lover and the ruler for achieving beauty inside and out and who are strong and determined in life. Both of these has the Titan's showstopper, Raga, and Octane as the perfect representation of someone's success. Of course, kailangan ko malaman kung ano ang Titan persona ko, so I answered these questions and ang lumabas ay isa pa akong ruler. Hindi yung pangsukat or what, but I am a ruler who loves to influence the people around me. Sobrang sakto pa nga sa relo kong suot because this piece is the power of stones. Clean, stylish, and the pearls looks very chic. Congratulations also to the newest ambassadors of Titan watches, Max Collins and Ruru Madrid. The whole event was both elegant and classy. I had so much fun knowing the stories behind these beautiful curated pieces of Titan watches. Don't forget lang to check them out at Watch Republic shops, leading department stores nationwide, and e-commerce platforms. Remember, do not just wear your watch. Wear it and bring the Titan in you. Bye! Tara, pili ka. Left or right? Tough choice. Bakit hindi pareho? Nag-crave kasi ako pero di ako makadecide sa dalawang cravings ko. Yung classic cheesy goodness at yung bold savory flavor. Kaya pala cranky ka. Dapat pala may craving survival kit ka. Gaya ng ano? Patient?
Hindi, gaya nito.
Yung bias mong original cheesy hamburger.
Alam mo na, cheesy, beefy, langap sarap with that classic yum sauce.
Pwede. Pero nakikrave kasi ako sa bagong bias wrecker ko na special cheesy hamburger.
Still the beefy, langhap sarap patty with creamy cheese, now level up with crunchy pickle, chopped onions, and ketchup.
So minsan gusto mo ng bold, savory, at tasty. Yung may kick. Oo, pero minsan naman, yung cheesy and classic. Either way, cheesy at beefy pa rin. Original or special. Ang bias at ang bias wrecker na magsasatisfy sa cravings mo. Wala palang problema kahit dalawang cravings mo eh. Basta may cheesy ang burger, craving solved.
Alam mo ba, mahal mo na. Wala tayong magagawa, mahal mo na. Ba't adan? Ba't adan? Ba't adan?
In the silence of the morning.
A girl with a beautiful face inside a beautiful cafe? Emma! Noong March 30, I went to the grand opening of the beautiful Bahay Flower and Cafe at the second floor Adobe Building, Parkal Mall, Asiana City. First thing that I've noticed, the whole ambience is very cozy and nice, breathtaking interior, very spacious yung place, and I was greeted with a lot of cute and elegant flowers. The program went smooth, nagkaroon ng ribbon cutting, owner made a speech, then nagkaroon din ng interview session with the content creators, kasama na ako ron. I had the chance to taste their pastries, the white flour cake, which is very soft and moist. It really melts in my mouth, plus it complements the fruits. The red velvet cake, which is very creamy and rich in flavor. And last but not the least, the mango moist cake. There's an aftertaste wherein it's pretty flavorful and heavenly. All the cakes are not too sweet, which I really appreciate, and lahat ng mga to bagay na bagay partner sa mga drinks na meron sila such as tea, coffee, and frappe. Aside from the cafe itself, you can also buy artificial flowers here. Amazing lang na everything looks realistic to the point na kahit sa malayo, kala mo totoong mga bulaklak sila. Pwede ka rito magpa-arrange, bumili ng per stem, and kahit mag-sightseeing lang. Overall, I just love the vibe of this cafe and would come back here not just because of the aesthetic but also because of the food and flowers. Now for the exciting part, screenshot this video plus the code BBFCROS as proof na pinanood nyo tong video na to, tapos ipakita nyo sa beautiful Bahay Flower and Cafe, and you can enjoy a free slice of premium Korean cake with a minimum purchase of 500 pesos on drinks and pastries. And that's it for this video. Enjoy and eat well. Yun lang, bye!
I'll let your body decide. This is good enough for you. Already falling for you. Already falling for you. I'll let your body decide. This is good enough for you. Already falling for you. Already falling for you.
Ano raw, may ka-video? Yun ang yung sinabi ni mami. Anong video? Tsaka paano? Bakit mo tinatanong sa amin? Kami ba si ma'am? Wow, nangangamoy away na naman, pero sa akin pa rin naman hihingi ng tulong kasi hindi na nga kayo marunong mag-video, hindi pa kayo marunong mag-edit. Buti na lang talaga nandyan yung Create para padaliin yung buhay natin. Film a video and once you're done with your output, go to Create. Upon checking my unedited video, I noticed that there are gaps, pauses, bad quality wherein I need to cut or get rid of to make it more smooth and easy to watch. I can use a split feature, but if I'm too lazy to cut my video, Create has a auto-cut feature for less hassle, and this will help us create a seamless video. Last is to add captions in my video so my viewers can understand me even more. Create has that feature and they also have automatic recognition wherein we can voice over a video and it will generate captions, just like this. O diba ang dali lang? Ano pa hinihintay mo? Pasko, get your creativity shine and try to create in TikTok because that's going to be TikTok worthy. Hi, ano na lang kaya gagawin niyo kung wala ako? Pwede ka na mawala, naturo mo na eh. Ah, kaya niyo na. Sige ha, akin na tong final output natin tapos ilalagay ko lang yung name ko. Gumawa na lang kayo ng bago tapos ipasa niyo mamaya. Che, ano? Mamaya na pala yung deadline. Kia, gusto mo ng libreng milk tea buong taon? Kia, sorry na. Kaya ko bang makipagtagisan sa barangay Kaya? Kayang-kaya kasamang pamilya. Kaya! Ako po si Ate Kaya na pumunta sa barangay Talondos, Las Piñas City para makisaya at makigulo kasama ang G-Fiber Prepaid. Sobrang daming nangyari. Naghanda ang Globe ng mga iba't ibang laro gaya ng Kaya Stocks kung saan kailangan kong i-stock ang mga cups sa loob ng 45 seconds. Nagawa ko naman to kaya meron akong ballpen. Sumunod naman dito sa Ikaw, May Kaya kung saan I have to take a photo of myself and let AI technology put me in a random situation. Pak! Kamukha ko ba? Next ay itong Henyo sa Bentahan. Na-challenge ang aking hulaan skills dahil kailangan kong hulaan kung magkano isang item na nabunot ko and I wasn't really expecting na mahuhulaan ko nga. Oh, tignan nyo, hindi pa naniwala na nanalo siya oh. Last but not the least ay itong Eksena Bongga. As someone na mahilig manood, hindi ako syempre nagpakabob. Halatang nagpupwet sa kakanood ng mga movies oh. Na perfect ang 5 movies na pinapahulaan. Hindi lang yon dahil may ganap ding kayak cup na kailangan maglaban-laban ng 6 na team sa larong MLBB. Bago matapos ang araw ay nakisaya din ako kasama sila Daddy Kaya, Mommy Kaya at si Kuya Kaya. Dahil dito sa Barangay Kaya, malaya kaming nakipaglaro at nakisaya. Kaya naman itong dapat nyo malaman. Panahon na natin mag G-Fiber Prepaid.